Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and I'm here with a different kind of video. I have a Dollar Tree haul, and I've been so inspired by Jessica over at Paper Terrace. She did a Dollar Tree challenge quite a while ago. Like, it's still going on right now when I'm recording this video, but I record ahead of time. So I was gonna do the Dollar Tree challenge, but I'm just so backed up with projects that I was really on the fence. But I did go to Dollar Tree and I found so many things. So even if I don't end up doing the Dollar Tree challenge, I have so much stuff that I can make videos from, and things that I've been finding for, like looking for a long time. So let's just get into it. Okay, I'm gonna go and grab this stuff. It's just down here on the floor. Alright, so I have two bags. Alright, so some of these things are from, I went to two different Dollar Trees, and some of these things are from those two stores, but some of these things are also from previous Dollar Trees that I've gone to. So it's kind of accumulative, like this. This I've used from Dollar Tree for a while now, and I use it in addition to the instant coffee, which is this one, to make it a little bit darker. So I use both of them when I coffee dye. So I had that from before. And then they have a great puzzle section, and I filmed some footage, so you would have seen that before this. But this was from another haul in the past, and I thought it was so pretty, and I want to find a way to use this in a journal. I actually have been collecting puzzles, as you guys might have seen here and there in some of my videos, but I've also been collecting Dollar Tree puzzles, so I have quite a few of these. But I thought this would be a cool thing that I maybe could use in a journal. Jessica made some paper, some handmade paper on her video, and I had also been wanting to make some handmade paper. I saw, it's not a junk journaling channel, but her name is The Cottage Fairy, and she made some handmade paper. So I bought some silk screens, I think they are, that can be used for making paper. But because I thought I might do this challenge, I also bought this because I think this can be used. Jessica used a picture frame or two, I think, and some screen. But I saw this, so I thought it might work. It's a splatter screen. I'm thinking I'm just going to take this off, like the little handle. So we'll see about that. I do plan on making paper though. Here's another one of these. So my Dollar Tree does not carry doilies, plastic doilies. My Dollar Trees honestly are not that good because they don't have rubber stamps either. But I saw this and I thought it could be used possibly in place of doilies. So next time I do a batch of coffee dyeing, I will be trying this out, and I'll probably make a video because I have other coffee things in the works. I found these bags. They're little tiny bags. They were on clearance at Dollar Tree, which I don't think I've ever seen before. But this box with 38 of those bags was only 50 cents, so I decided to pick it up. It was open And if I was using this for food, I would not have bought it. But because I know I'm going to be using it for crafts and storage, I decided to get it. Same thing with this. This is, I think it's a trash bag. Yeah, they're tall kitchen bags. I'm guessing they're trash bags. And it was a little bit open, but it was 50 cents. Since I'm putting trash in here, I figured it doesn't matter that it was a little bit open. And then I got some parchment paper for 50 cents as well. It's a little bit messed up on the packaging, I think. This side was open, but I'm not gonna be using this for cooking. I'm gonna be using it in my journals. So got that. And then I got some of this newsprint because I wanted to try copy dyeing it. I love the texture of it, but it is very thin. So I think with copy dyeing, it's going to make it thicker. And I'm interested to see what the color is going to turn out like. Sorry, I'm kind of rushing because I need to go somewhere after this. But here's another box of these for 50 cents. And this, I have been searching high and low for this for years. I mean, probably since 2018. And I've seen them at like Target and other stores, but like I don't want to pay more than $1. So I guess it's perfect that I found it at Dollar Tree because this was just $1. So I'm super excited about this. Sorry about the lighting. And I want to coffee dye with this and maybe Kool-Aid dye, and I might even get more. That is if they have more. I've never seen these there. And then I got this too because I want one of these designated for coffee dyeing. So I was super happy about those. I've been looking for a while. I also got these little bins, and I know this isn't really part of like a project, but these bins are 3 for $1. They're pretty small and they're great for storing collage pieces. So that's why I got those, and that's the cheapest I've seen. All right, so we're going to go into the second bag. Whenever I see shelf paper that looks cool, I try to grab it. One time I saw shelf paper at another dollar store and I got it and I used it and I loved it, and it never came back. So I've seen this for a while at Dollar Tree. It's not like the best, but I think it would be good for backgrounds and just like really general things in botanical journals. So that's why I got this. I got a couple rolls. This is, so I was pulling out Dollar Tree things from before. If I do end up making a Dollar Tree junk journal, I will use these, but I've gotten these from Dollar Tree like years ago, as well as this one. I think this one's super cute. And I got these stickers quite a while ago as well. I have this book, little notepad from a while ago. I love the colors. And this is another one of those regrets. I actually thought there were more sheets of this flowered. It looks like about half of these are, oh yeah, 4 printed and 4 solid. So I bought these when I first started junk journaling, and I didn't know if I would like it, but I used it and I loved it. And then when I went back to get more, they were all gone. So $1 for 4 sheets is not the best price, but I really like the print, so I should have gotten more. So I got this a while ago for something else, but if I were to do a Dollar Tree junk journal, I would use this in it as well. I got this book. I mean, it's cute in general, but I was planning on using that. And then I found this, which I've been looking for. It's a silicone facial mask applicator type thing, and I want to use this to spread glue. So I found some Mod Podge at Dollar Tree. I found some of this smaller newsprint. I want to try coffee dyeing that. Sorry about that. My scoreboard just fell. Alien's Tacky Glue is there. I think the price is decent. Like, it's not expensive, because a lot of times it's so small that it's not worth it to buy it there. But I think this is like a decent price. This is by Beacon, and I think if you find something by Beacon at Dollar Tree, you should try it because I think it's the same company as Fabri-Tac. That's what I've seen online. Okay, I found this gorgeous tissue paper. And there are 3 solid and 3 of these ones. So this might have been another situation where I should have gotten more. But I mean, it's only 3 sheets, so. But I do think that's really pretty. I got some paints. And I got these cards. And these stickers. My Dollar Tree does not have that many, what do you call it? That many, I can't think. Oh, craft items. So like no rubber stamps. There were some stickers. But yeah, just not as, I've seen people get metal dies at Dollar Tree. Mine never has that. And I got these tags. I use these all the time. There's 30 in here, and I like to coffee dye them, or avocado dye. And I also found these, which I think are so pretty. I'm sorry for the glare, but it's dried flowers. Let me see if it says what it is, but they're dried flowers, and I'm into botanical right now. So anything floral or even like straw, like I'm really into that right now. So stay tuned and see if I get it together enough to actually do a journal all out of Dollar Tree stuff. But if nothing else, I thought it would be fun to do this haul for you guys. And let me see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, but there will be projects. You will see me using probably a lot of these items, even if I don't do a full Dollar Tree journal. I'm definitely going to be making paper and coffee dyeing. I'm so excited about the polka dotted tray. And so you're going to be seeing videos from these products. But I hope you liked this video. I normally don't do like Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby type videos or Joann's or anything like that, but I thought it would be fun today. And I think I'm going to be going to Hobby Lobby with my friend. I haven't seen her in a while. Her child is walking already. Like, that's not okay. He was born at the beginning of the pandemic. I've seen him a couple times, and he's walking already. Like, he's literally not a baby anymore, and that's just not okay. But I'm going to be hanging out with her today, and we might go to Hobby Lobby, so I might just vlog. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.